We will now create our first Lambda function. To get started, search for Lambda in the console. Click Create a Function. Next, select Author from Scratch. Enter a name for the function, for example, test function. Choose a runtime, for example, Python 3. Continue to create function. The function has successfully been created. It has sample code that we can use to test. We will change the text a bit to say hello from 365 Data Science. Let's hit deploy to save the code. Now we'll test our function with the test button. Great! The code ran and returned our greeting message. Let's briefly mention triggers while we're here. Lambda triggers are events that automatically invoke your function when something happens, like a file being uploaded to S3. You can configure triggers by linking AWS services, e.g. S3, directly to the Lambda function. Each service sends structured event data to the function, which acts on it in real time. Triggers are the bridge between serverless compute and event-driven architecture. To monitor Lambda functions, we have more than one option, for example, via CloudWatch logs. One key setting to be aware of in your function's configuration is the timeout duration. You can extend this up to a maximum of 15 minutes from the default of 3 seconds, giving a function ample time to complete longer running tasks before it's automatically terminated. That concludes our introduction to Lambda. I hope you liked it. And with that, we've reached the end of this journey together. I hope you found this course as insightful, inspiring, and enjoyable as it was for me to guide you through it. You've taken meaningful steps towards mastering the cloud. Keep that momentum going. I wish you confidence and success in everything you build from here. Until next time, keep learning and stay awesome.